What's up? Welcome back to the channel. Since I posted a video of this FiiO disc, a lot of you guys were wondering how this was like compared to the FiiO Snowsky Mini. And because I didn't have it, I couldn't say much regarding the two. I just knew more about this device than the other device. Following the release of this product, FiiO released the FiiO Snowsky Echo. Not the Snowsky Echo Mini, but just the Snowsky Echo. A lot of guys were asking me to check out that device when they release it. I ordered the newest Echo just for review. Let me open this. Damaging myself. And look at that. What we've got here, we got a case, right? Is this a case? Leather case for the Echo. Very cool. Look at that. So yeah, like I said, I got this Snowsky Echo for review. I got it in green, and I got this because a lot of you guys were asking. I'm always down to review a new product. That's pretty blue or green. Blue-green. That's really pretty. Let's take this out. Okay. Oh, feels really nice in the hand. This thing's beautiful. Holy snap. Very pretty. This is all metal. I have no idea what the specs are on this, so I'll go ahead and list them. This is just a first impressions. Definitely. And I'm impressed. This is it feels nice to hold. From what I know, the Snowsky Echo Mini is plastic. For a lot of people, that's kind of a bummer. Wow, this is cool. There's a lanyard hole right here. USB-C. We got micro SD card, USB-C. We got a 4.4 balance jack and a 3.5. You got a reset button. That's useful, actually. So compared to the disc right off the bat, I don't think there is a reset button on this. Wow, this feels nice. I love the accent. So you got physical buttons all on top. It's like a little mini Walkman player. Let's kind of move on. You got paperwork, more cables. What is this? Manual? This is all foreign language. Authentic checking warranty card. Manual. Quick start guide. Got Mandarin. Oh, we got English. Power, obviously. Volume. You could change tracks and volume up. Okay, kind of like the FiiO disc. Number 10 is the display if you didn't know. Operation function explained. Hold the power button for 3 seconds to turn on. Adjust volume in playback state. Short press volume to adjust volume. Hold the volume to switch songs. Play, pause, short press. Return button to the previous operation. Okay, that's this button. Bluetooth. Turn on Bluetooth in system settings. Menu, browse, file, check files in local storage. I feel like there's going to be a little learning curve on this. Don't put this in your freezer. You can scan for more stuff. I believe you can get the FiiO app. We got the international collection here. Cool. Let's check out this case really quick. So this is a leather case, huh? Didn't seem leather. I didn't realize leather was clear. What? It literally says leather case. Okay, whatever. Let's just check it out. Yeah, this is so leather. This is probably leather from a jellyfish. For sure. Okay, so the buttons are obviously on top here. Snapped into place. I'm pretty sure this is TPU. Or what have you. Wow, it's really rigid. Cool. It's not bad. You still get to admire the inside and the detail and all that. Do I like it? Yeah, I'm cool with it. It's minimal enough. It's not intrusive. Let's just take it off for right now. And it turned it on accidentally. Oh crap. This is the worst time to be turned on. Can you turn off? No. Okay, well, let's just get you out. Damn it, now I have to go in the menu. Oh, sick. Okay, nice. So I'm assuming play is select. Nice. All right, we're good. English back. All right, well, didn't want to turn it on accidentally, but there we go. Nice and bright. So that it's not a touch screen, just to make that clear. And you navigate through the entire menu or the device with the buttons here. So let's see. This is menu. And then now you cycle through your menu options. Format disk, supported audio files. That's cool. Let's go up to the top. Is there a top here? Bluetooth, screen settings. So you have screen timeout, screen brightness. So right now it's kind of bright. Cool. Time and date. I have to angle it in a way where it's not blinding the camera. UAC charging, so you could change it to mobile mode, computer mode, normal mode. I guess it's on mobile mode. I'll look into all of that more. Supported audio files up to DSD 256. Play WAV, FLAC, APE. You can't really select it. MP3, OGG, M4A, and WMA. Reset all settings. So what do we have here? Oh, cool. So you go down here in the menu. File browser. Media library, music playback, text. What is text? Continue reading. Yes. Cool, there's like a text file inside this device already. Looks like you could add books in text format. Music settings. What do we have in music settings? Music style, magnetic tape style, album style. So I guess you could change the display to be what kind of style you want. Cadence style? Interesting. I don't have any music on here yet, so I'm gonna have to throw a memory card in. Volume limiter, loop setting, equalizer, filter, gain adjustment, fast forward, volume button swap, lyrics switch, channel balance, music style, volume limiter, exhaust that menu system. Okay, so that was music settings. So wait. I didn't see folder jumping song repeat. I don't see a gapless setting. I wonder if it's like default. A lot of people are wondering in these devices if they have like gapless playback. I don't think this one does. And I'm trying to see if this one has the option to. Again, I didn't really look into this device. I just was requested to review this. So this is as new to me as it is to you. Let's check out the folder. Yeah, there's nothing in here. Oh, just kidding. There is something in here. They have like a sample song. What could it be? I am to test it out. Let's get this gack out of the way. Let's see. Play? That's cool. You get to see the tape roll, just like the Walkmans. Of course, it's like a generic tape. There's no like Walkman or Sony branding, which is kind of my favorite charm of the Sony Walkmans, because they actually have the traditional tapes that Sony came out with. Yes, epic trailer theme. So what do we have for album style? So music, album style, back. This is what the album style looks like. It's cool. It kind of gives off WinApp vibes. I can't say completely, but just the aesthetics of it. Let's see what else. So UV watch. Oh, cool. That's sick. That is so cool. Pause. Play. That's awesome. I like that. What else do we got? Cadence style. I'm curious what that is. That's awesome. We love EQs. Or graphic visualizers. Nice, it tells you the quality down here. I'm not sure what I like the most. Wonder if there's other options to change the tape itself. I guess not. Sounds good. I mean, I'm listening to it with one ear, so I can't completely say how amazing it is. Let's see what else we got in the menu system. Or let's see how much this weighs actually. So the FiiO disc weighs 74.2. This has a little more weight to it for sure. And it does. It's a little noticeable. You can feel the weight. And it's great. What are you doing? Libby? Are you here to help? You good? Where was I? Oh yeah. Yeah, you can definitely feel the weight, and it feels nice. Man, this color is nice. This color is really nice, actually. Dang. This is compared to the Walkman A105. Let's see. Let's take out a memory card and go ahead and insert it. Probably best to turn it off first. In. Nice and flush. Turn you on. 1, 2, 3. Cool, we're in. So let's check out the music. You can go right to your memory card from here. Confirm media library refresh. Yes. So I got like 3,000 songs on my SD card, so this might take a while. But it's good, at least you know how long it would take. Dude, the bar is not even moving. Are we good? There's no percentage or countdown. Bro, are we good? I think it broke.
Many minutes later.
It moved. So it's not broken. It just doesn't tell you the status, which is kind of dumb. I know I'm not the only one who's going to think it's frozen and wants to restart it and then corrupts everything. It's strange. Let's give it some time. Well, look at that. We're finally in. Holy crap. That took a long time. Okay, so what do we got? Music. Select. These are all my individual albums. Oh, here we go. All songs. So it scanned the entire library. So now let's just play all songs. Changing tracks. You have to hold. Oh, interesting. So when it's in playing, you change tracks like this. Change tracks by holding. If you want to do volume, then you do it like this. Or you hold it when it's in the volume state. Let's give this a listen. Well, I can say, just a brief listening, it sounds really good. There's no noise floor. It sounds dead silent with IEMs on when listening on the balanced headset right here. Pretty simple. There's not really anything crazy. It's not like you have a 12-band EQ that you can kind of mess around with. I couldn't find the gapless playback. I wonder if now that there's music, if I can check out like the settings. Yeah, I still can't find if there's any gapless settings on this. Supposedly this can do gapless playback according to like the Reddit threads. I have no real way to kind of confirm that without listening to a gapless album. But yeah, this is really nice. I'm happy that they have a metal version out now. And I think this might be a little bigger than the Mini. I'm assuming the Mini is smaller because it's given the name. This does feel really, really nice. I do like this. Now, it's not as small as this Heidi's, but the Heidi's is a little fatter. Screen size to the Heidi's is a lot bigger compared to this guy. Heidi's is dead. Yeah, screen is a lot bigger. If you're deciding on getting the Echo over the disc, it's really up to your design preference. You know, if you like having this kind of form factor or this kind of form factor. I don't know the internal specs on this. I'm assuming it might have more beefier specs than this. I have to look again, sorry. If you're in for beefier specs, this might be the winner. It feels kind of nicer to hold in this just because it's heavier. I'm kind of that person where I like more weight. I know that this is all metal. I do like this color scheme a lot. I kind of wish that the disc had more color scheme. The disc is unique in itself, so it's really up to your preference. This might have more power. you will feel sorry if you drop either of these. I wouldn't drop any of these items. The screen on here is smaller, so that could just be a deal breaker for you automatically, while this is just a rotating round screen, but it's nice and big with big fonts. With this one, everything is navigated by the buttons. This one's by touch. So it's really up to you. This one kind of takes a bit of a learning curve for those who aren't used to buttons and all that. But this is sexy. This is a sexy player. Yeah, with the glossy parts, you can kind of, it's going to be a little bit of a fingerprint magnet. And I'm not sure if the screen protector can be removed, but it looks like there's a little bit of some scuffing from the packaging. But I guess you could polish that out. There's a screen protector on here already. This is a sweet player, man. I'll definitely hang on to this for a week or so, kind of check it out, see what more it can offer. If you've watched this far, because I bought this just for review, I don't plan on keeping it. Got it because a lot of people requested me to review this, but again, I have a lot of music players, so I really have no need to keep this, even though I kind of want it. So what I was planning on doing when I reach 1,000 subscribers, I'm going to give this away. I will give it away to a random commenter on my comment section. You guys can comment anything as long as it's nice, and I will choose anybody within the comment section of this video. So yeah, to sum that up, I will give this away once I reach 1,000 subscribers to a random member who comments something nice under this video. Again, this is the FiiO Snowsky Echo. Thanks for hanging out.